doing an Ulta haul. They recently had a sale for like 30 to 40% off the deep conditioners, so I grabbed some. This is all that I got. I will go one by one and show you guys what I got. Okay, so I will be randomly grabbing from the box and tell you guys about each product, why I got it, and the price. Okay, so the first deep conditioner I actually got 2 of them, and you guys have seen this in my video previously. It is the Eva NYC Therapy Session Hair Mask. I believe these are normally $14.99, but I got it on sale for about $8.99, so that's why I got 2, because like the price of 2 for 1. Now this is like a protein kind of mask, so it's definitely moisturizing. It definitely will leave your hair nice and soft and a little bit strong as well. So I definitely love this. It has shot its way up to one of my favorite deep conditioners, and a little bit goes a long way, and I can get like 5 uses out of this one, so I got 2. Up next is definitely an oldie but a goodie. It's the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. It says it's to nourish and renew natural chemically processed or heat styled hair, and that's what it looks like. You guys all should know what it looks like by now. This is one of my favorite deep conditioners, but I don't get it much because I like to try other things, but I always go back to this. So I definitely love this, and we all know that the Shea Moisture, their deep conditioners run for like $14.99. So I think this one was about $8 or $9. So I should have got 2, but I only got 1. Next up, I got the Tgin Honey Miracle Hair Mask. I heard a lot of good reviews about this, and this is not my first time trying this. I will do a video because you guys just need to see how good this actually works on my hair. But yeah, this is the Honey Miracle Mask, and this is what it looks like. Very good, very moisturizing. It has a lot of slip. Again, it's like $14.99, so it's like $8 or $9 with the sale. And that sale only lasted 1 day, so I'm sorry if I didn't get to share it on social media and let you guys know. But just, you know, make sure that you have Ulta like subscribed so that they can tell you about the sales. And yeah, so this. Next up is the Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Hair Mask for dry, damaged hair. So yeah, this deep conditioner is only like $8.99, so it's definitely not on sale actually, but it's cheap and you can get it anywhere, and I really do like this one. It's very moisturizing and it's a good consistency, so it's thick enough but it also glides through your hair, so I really like this. Any of these deep conditioners that I don't have a video on already, I will do one, and if I do have it, I will link it down below or up in the card somewhere. And yeah, so that's one that I got. I just noticed that all these deep conditioners I already tried, but again, if I don't have a video, I will do one just so I can go more in depth about how it feels, smell, and all that stuff. But this one is a new one that I got. It is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate Plus Repair Protein Power Treatment. This deep conditioner I really wanted to try because I heard a lot of good things about it. Even though it's only 8 ounces, I heard a little bit goes a long way. So I'm really excited to try it, and this will probably be the first one that I try because my hair needs a protein treatment and I really want to try this. So this is what it looks like. So yeah, this again, I think Shea Moisture was 40% off, so it wasn't buy one get one 50% off like it was the next day. But yeah, so I did get these for like a good price. We only have 2 left. This haul is almost over, but I really just needed deep conditioners. I don't think they had sales on anything else if I'm not mistaken, but I just needed deep conditioners. Next up is the Tgin Miracle RepaiRx Deep Hydrating Hair Mask with black honey and coconut oil. I really do love this deep conditioner. I like this more than the Honey Miracle Hair Mask because it just has more slips. Everything that the first one does for me, this one does it better. A lot of people think that the other one is better, but you know, to each his own. I like this one more, and I should have got 2 of these, but you know, now that I have like a good rotation, I shouldn't run out of anything too quickly, even though I am handy-handed, so I am heavy-handed, so there's that. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. And last on the list is the Nacho Mother's Matcha Green Tea and Wild Apple Blossom Butter Mask. It says it's a deep conditioner with antioxidants to help restore damaged hair. So this is what it looks like. I'm really excited to try this because I haven't tried anything from this brand before, and I heard good reviews about it. It says it's 98% derived ingredients, but I will definitely be doing a Masque Monday with this or something, just so that you guys can really know how it feels and how it works on my type 4 hair. Okay, that is all for this video. If you guys liked it, Please comment down below what you would like to see me do a video on first. And if you did like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.
And cut.
Shut up.